This workflow begins automatically with a nightly cron trigger. Every day at midnight, it runs on its own and collects the latest Jira issue data. Once the workflow starts, it pulls all open Jira issues using a JQL query. We retrieve key fields such as summaries, due dates, assignees, and all dependency links. This gives us everything we need for accurate dependency tracking and impact analysis. Next, we filter the issues to identify which ones actually contain dependencies. Only items with valid issue links move forward. Standalone issues without relationships are skipped to keep the workflow clean and efficient. For the issues that remain, we extract the detailed dependency data. A function node breaks down each relationship by identifying which issue is blocking which, along with the status, priority, assignee, and due date of the linked issue. This ensures we have a structured, detailed snapshot of the dependency chain. From here, we compute the impact score. Using due dates and dependency types, we calculate how many days are left and determine whether each dependency represents a high, medium, or low risk. This step helps us highlight issues that need immediate attention or tighter coordination between teams. Once the scoring is done, a new item is added to the Monday.com board for each dependency. We log the issue summary so blockers are clearly visible on the team board and can be reviewed throughout the day. We then send a Slack notification to the engineering channel. The message includes the risk level, the linked issues, the impact score, and the number of days left until a deadline. This gives the team instant awareness of any important blockers. For dependencies that require formal follow up, we automatically create a coordination task in Jira. Each task includes the impact score, risk level, the dependency chain details, and recommended next steps. This ensures that every critical dependency is tracked as an actionable item, not just a warning. Next, we generate a clean HTML report using a code node. It builds structured tables showing blocking issues, blocked issues, risk indicators, and high impact items, all formatted professionally for stakeholder review.